everyone, it's Mufi. Today I will draw how to draw a boat, so let's start drawing. First I will draw the bottom of the boat just like this. Have you ever been on a boat? I have sailed many times. Wow! You will try the same way as I am drawing. If you try, everything is possible, nothing is difficult. Now I will draw the rest of the boat. Just like this, okay? Now I will re-sketch so well that I can see the drawing very well. I am coming, you will try the same way. Oh. Wow! My sketch is done. Now I will start painting. First I will paint the upper part of the boat green. Now I will mix the brown color well on the top and inside of the boat. Okay. What color should I give after this? Wow! Yes, after that I will give yellow color to the rest of the boat. Wow! Wow! Now I will give blue color to the goddess sea water and blue color to the round parts inside the boat. Wow!
Wow!
My drawing is done. I will re-sketch like before. Okay, done. My drawing fully prepared. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe for more drawing videos.